Okay, hello class. So I'm going to show you how to answer or how to do your performance task for week 5 to week 7. This is lesson 7 by the way. So in your module you can see this picture or this image of a running program of a simple somewhat calculator. So let me show you the program now. Looks like this one. So if I run this one uh, from the previous lesson, you have to just input ICT to O2 and it says welcome ICT to O2. Then you have this one. Now I would recreate what's in the module. So it says 5 and ASDSDSD. Now, if I pick an operator like addition, this would appear. This text would appear. The sum of 5 and 0 is 5. Now, if you notice, there's no 0 here. There's 5 here, but there's no 0 here. Then if I do subtraction, I'll select the operator subtraction, it says the difference of 5 and 0 is 5. So let's go back to the module. Now it says that you, for your performance task, you are to create the code snippet or the code for the second text box that allows it to that allows you to use the delete key, use the backspace key, and only allows numbers on the text box. So let me stop this one, then go back here. So I'll run the program again. So ICT 202, welcome. Then now, if I put an alphabet here or a letter or anything that is not a number, you would get a message. Input numbers only. So that is what this uh, number one means. You only you should only allow numbers to be placed inside the text box. So if you notice, I'm gonna run this again. So 5, it says that I am allowed to press the backspace key. Now I'm going to hit the backspace key. There, it's being deleted. So let me try here. It's being permitted. Then the delete key works. Okay, so it works. Now we go back. Now this is the code snippet. The code snippet for the text box, text box one. Now, commonly, if you would use this one after you press a number in the text box one, most users press enter key or use the mouse to click on the text box. Now, you could either use enter key to go down. This is what this code means. Sorry. This one allows you to press the enter key for you to go to the second text box. As you can see here, txt second set focus. So, again, I'll press 7, then press the enter key. The cursor goes down to the second text box. This is what this line means, or this code snippet means. Now, for the allow the delete key and the backspace key and only numbers to be inputted in the text box, you have to look at this one, this line. So let me explain. This is the txt first underscore key press, meaning you're listening to how the user is pressing the keyboard or what did the user press in the keyboard. So it says select case ASCII. So it's a test case. Now we're using case 127 which allows the delete key, case 8 which allows the backspace key, case 13 which allows the enter key, and case 48 to 57 which is the numbers. So that ends the case. Now, if you input anything aside from numbers, there's a message box that would appear, input numbers only, and a reminder. Now, this is a message box. Then, ASCII 0, ASCII with no value. Then it's nselect and sub. Okay, so this is the code snippet for txt1 which makes this thing happens. I have to input a number. So the performance task says that you have to duplicate what you did for text box 1 to text box 2. As you can see, I could input uh, anything aside from numbers. So this one needs only to be numbers. So the easiest way is to, sorry, let me stop this one. The easiest way is to uh, double click the text box 2. Now it will bring you here. Now you can actually delete this one. Now the easiest way is to copy. You copy, paste this one. Copy, then Control V. Now you paste. Now, if you remember, this one is named differently. This one is called, the second text box is called txt second. So for that to work, we have to replace this one. Sorry, let me remove this one. We have to replace what we copied and pasted, this one, as txt second. Txt second. Then, sorry, I have to delete this one because this isn't important. So this one, txt second, then input numbers only. So let's try. I'm gonna run the program again. So ICT 202, welcome. Then this is the running program. Now let me try. I would press A. So the message box appeared. So 5, I would try if our code worked. So I would press letter R or any letter. Input numbers only. So let me see. So 5, addition. The sum of 5 and 5 is 10. The difference of 5 and 5 is 0. The product of 5 and 5 is 25. And the quotient of 5 and 5 is 1. It works. So this is the answer to your what you call this, performance task. This one, you only have to change this one, sorry, this one to second as per clue here. So that's how you answer the performance task. Now, as for the why, the program shows the sum of 5 and 0 is 5 when the text box contains 5 for the first box, and is DSASD for the second box. Is technically it means the text box is reading only uh integers, not variables or not characters. So that's the answer for number 2. So again, this was already uploaded in your Google Drive, sorry, Google Classroom. Uh, this was sorry, it was not corrected, but uh, this one was already corrected. So again, you cannot input anything except numbers. Same with this one. Now, if you press a number and you press enter key, the focus goes to the second text box. So that is how you answer number 1. So you could either submit your Visual Basic files on the Google Drive, on the Google Classroom, or you could actually submit your code snippet for your answer in this one in a paper and submit it or return it when you return your modules or your answers to your other subjects. So that's how you answer the performance task for weeks 5 to 7. So thank you.